Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question October 2020, and we have a question of differential question. So let's see how to get a y in terms of x. So first of all, step number one, separation of variables. Separation of variables. So this dx multiplied there. Okay. Now, how many y's? Because y is subject, so this y will come alone here, and this x will come alone here. Now, this is first step is over. This is called step number one. So separation of all left y left hand side and all x right hand side. After this, I will do integration. So when I do integration left side, I get this. Right side, I can simplify further, because you can't integrate unless you split. Splitting means like a minus b by c. Criteria is a by c minus b by c. So same criteria I'm going to use here. This separate and negative 2x squared by x separate. This x cancel out, only 2x comes. Now question is ready for integration. So when integrate left side, I get a function in denominator, its derivative in the numerator. So what does the answer come? Logarithm of y. Same story here, the logarithm of x. And what is integration here? So to increase a power by 1 divided by same and plus c. To do cancel out, this data I will plug in. So put x1, y1. So when I put ln1 and then ln x here and here 1 square, so what happens then? And all of you know ln1 is 0. ln1 is equals to 0. So this one, negative 1s could come on left hand side, so c becomes 1. Put this value back in the equation here. So ln y is equals to ln x negative x squared and plus 1. So this is done. But he said no, not ln y. I need alone y. So I have to remove logarithm. What is basic criteria to remove logarithm? I need both side logarithm. For example, p and logarithm q, you can cancel this one. But only criteria, we must need single log left side, single log right hand side. So let's see. We have logarithm here, no problem. But we don't, here we can write ln e to power x squared. And this is 1 because ln e is 1. Now you can ask one question, sir, how you got negative x squared like that? So for example, 3, and can I write 3 into 1? Yes. It is understood logarithm of e is 1. You can check in calculator even. I removed 1, I wrote ln e. This 3 goes on power of e, so ln e to power 3. So basically it's criteria we have. It means if I want to convert any number like 7, so ln e to power 7. So p, ln e to power p. Same story, x squared, ln e to power x squared. Now, according to criteria of the logarithm, 1, 2, 3 logarithms. So we write 1 logarithm, but plus sign before log and plus sign before ln e, but here minus sign. Where is the plus sign? This value and this value will multiply, and this value will divide. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Left side, right side, single log, and they will cancel out. This is my final answer. You can stop here, or y is equals to x times 2 e to power 1 minus x squared. How come? E is 1 power and e is x to power 2. So upper power 1, lower power x squared. So we can write, this is my final answer. So I believe the concept is completely over. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.